Hello everyone, Percy here, and sorry for no videos in a while. I'm still working on my Thomas Iceberg vid, but anyways, today we are going to be reacting to Phineas and Ferb misbehave at babysitting and get busted. Now, link in the description for the original video, so let's begin.
Hey, Phineas and Ferb, your sister, your father, and I are going to your grandparents' house for 3 hours.
And we hired Mary Swanson from Dumb and Dumber to babysit you boys because you boys are still grounded for swearing at your big sister Candace over not seeing Tom and Jerry the movie.
Wait,
what?
Why?
No way. Ferb and I hate Mary Swanson from Dumb and Dumber.
Well, that's just too bad. You boys are going to be babysat by Mary Swanson, and that is final. And if you boys disrespect her, then you will be grounded from video games for 2 weeks. Got it?
Okay. Ferb and I will be on our best behavior.
Good, that's what we want to hear.
Yeah, of course it will be good.
Oh, that must be Mary Swanson.
Of course.
Mary Swanson, thank you for coming to babysit my 2 sons, Phineas and Ferb.
They're
problem,
gonna
Mrs.
do
Flynn.
it all. Yes, that joke was necessary. I've been
Bye, boys.
and Ferb
Be
again,
good
like
with
it's been
Mary
Thomas
Swanson.
again. Yes.
Okay, Mom, we will.
Yeah, sure they will.
Hi, Phineas and Ferb. I'm Mary Swanson from Dumb and Dumber. Today, I'm going to be y'all's babysitter for a while.
Y'all? Whoa! That was unexpected.
Oh my gosh, you are so ugly. I wish you could die by drowning.
Hey, you don't ever slap me in the face and talk to me like that. And how dare you wish that I could die by drowning? And also, how dare you call me ugly? If you misbehave 3 times, I will call y'all's parents. Say, how about we go to the kitchen so I can make you boys supper?
Oh boy, we're so hungry. So Mary, what did you make for dinner?
I made you boys some salad.
Oh boy.
You? Gross. Ferb and I don't like salad. We want Burger King instead of your disgusting salad.
No, Phineas and Ferb, we are not having Burger King because their food is unhealthy. Eat your salad now. It's good for you.
No, we want Burger King. 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 We want Burger King.
Now I know the Gohan made a lot of gun deals with Roman for putting G and duplicating R several times and not knowing when the frick it's gonna end. But I've seen these before, so this is my first time seeing this, so yeah.
Phineas and Ferb, stop acting like a spoiled
okay,
brat.
fine, I'll stop
I
that
already
joke.
told you that we are not having Burger
song.
King because they are not very healthy at all. Eat your salad right now.
Yeah,
it's good for you because they are filled with
it's like saying
vitamins
that
and
Junior
minerals.
isn't. It's like saying adulthood. It feels like saying adulthood isn't educational for your kid because it has swearing. You know, why would young children swear at a young age? That's stupid. And it feels like you're saying Nick Jr. isn't educational, and that's actually true if you see, because I've seen anyway.
Phineas and Ferb, we are not watching Tattoo because that movie.
I remember Tattoo. Remember? Look what
like
Jesus did. Look what Jesus did. Remember that joke?
So
actually,
you boys
that was
either watch
pretty
Pitch
funny
the Little Shoemaker, or
priceless.
y'all are getting your second strike.
Y'all again.
You know what?
Comment how many times did the babysitter say y'all. Wait, what? Not again.
Phineas and Ferb, how dare you change Pitch the Little Shoemaker to
Get
Tattoo?
to it. What? Look what Jesus did.
Second strike. One more than I'm calling y'all's parents.
Again with the y'all.
How about we listen to music?
Let's listen to Ghostbusters or Lady Gaga's Bad Romance or Put a Ring on It or Shake It Off or Thomas You're the Leader because those songs are catchy. Or we should put on the Monster Map. Oh, come on, no, not that. Sorry guys, I'll be back. God, stupid ads, they ruin everything. Oh, so I don't need to go back and I can just continue watching the video? Come on, hurry up, this is taking 8 billion years. Oh, are you freaking seriously kidding me right now?
Creamy fettuccine alfredo and delicious penne marinara, or grab a premium Wawa burger and fries, all made fresh when you order. Wawa dinner sounds.
Perfect. I love this song.
Okay, sorry about that, guys, but we're gonna have to skip towards the end of the video. Sorry. I mean, no. You'll see what I mean.
Song is so wonderful.
Sorry, guys. It's the ad's fault. Why is Ferb getting mad? I thought we were gonna listen to Ghostbusters. What?
Phineas and Ferb, what's wrong?
We want to listen to Ghostbusters!
No way, Mary.
That's the
Ferb,
best
I
song
hate
ever!
This song is stupid and horrible. Ferb and I
Ghostbusters! If there's
down
something
instead of this
strange in
stupid and horrible
the
song.
neighborhood,
Phineas and
then
Ferb,
who can you
stop
call?
it right now. And you boys can
Ghostbusters!
lose that negative attitude right now. You two can listen to Kryptonite by 3 Doors Down when this song is over.
I'm not afraid of no
Ferb,
ghost.
I want to
Okay,
listen
sorry
to
for that
Kryptonite
joke.
by 3 Doors Down
Anyway.
right now. So change this horrible
Change
song
it.
to Kryptonite by
How about
3
we change it
Doors
to
Down right now,
Ghostbusters?
Ferb. They will
Or
break the radio.
Bad Romance or Thomas or the Leader.
Quit it now. I already told you that you boys can listen to Kryptonite by 3 Doors Down after this song is over. And don't you dare to think about
Please
breaking
no.
the radio.
Please no.
Because if you did, you will be in so much trouble.
Please
Now,
no.
you boys either listen to this song with me or y'all will be on y'all's final strike.
Again with the y'all.
Mary Swanson.
No. You two are gonna do it all.
Phineas and Ferb, don't you dare, because if you did, you would be busted big time by your parents, including your older sister Candace.
Yeah, Candace is kind of annoying. Kind of an annoying nagger in my opinion. I've never really liked her. Because she would never
Phineas and
shut up.
Ferb, stop it right now.
Guys. Okay. Did they just use a non-existent hammer? Audience shock. Oh no. Oh, frick us, we're all screwed to the pole. Whatever that means. Doink. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, yeah. Your babysitter when you misbehave. They're not cartoon. I know they're cartoon characters. Lazy, this video is in a nutshell, but they're actually well made. Why are you roaring like Mr. Bear?
Oh my God.
Shut up, Rosie.
Fletcher. How dare you boys break the radio? Now you will be busted by your parents and your big sister Candace.
Shut up.
That's it. You boys are now on y'all's final strike, which means I'm calling y'all's parents right now. When Mary Swanson from Dumb and Dumber left, Linda, Lawrence, and Candace came back home from Phineas and Ferb.
We're gonna do it all! Thank you. Again, that music. Okay, yeah.
Oh my God, Phineas and Ferb.
Are gonna
How dare you
do
boys
it all.
disrespect Mary Swanson while we were at your grandparents' house? That's so good.
You two should totally be ashamed of yourselves. And you two are so busted for disrespecting your babysitter while we were at our grandparents' house. I agree with your sister Candace. And also, how dare you break our radio? That radio costs $20, and you boys are busted big time. And also, you boys are so grounded until June. Now go upstairs to y'all's room right now and stay there until we say y'all can come out.
Sorry. one of Mr. Ari. Yeah, I might. Robot, stop it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'm not saying this ad.